Good morning, second grade. We are going to be focusing on story problems today. And so we did this a lot with our morning problem of the day at the beginning of the year. We would do one every day. So this is more of just like a review for you guys. But I have one today. And it says Max had 25 bags of candy to pass out. He gave 14 bags away to his class. How many does he have left? Okay, so when I first look at this story problem, I want to look at the information. So right now, Max had 25 bags. Okay, and then I notice that this sentence says he gave, so that's a key word, and I'm going to circle that word. And then it says 14 bags. So now it says, how many does he have left? So when we have a story problem, we first have to decide what type of problem it is. So when I am looking at this, I'm looking at these keywords. So gave, have left. So this is going to tell me that it is a subtraction problem. So then I am going to have 25 minus 14. And I'm going to set it up just like that. Okay? So the first thing I do is I look at my ones, and I have 5 minus 4, and I know that is 1. And then I have 2 minus 1, which I know is 1. So he has 11 bags left. Okay. Another one. Give me just a second here. Okay, so here I have Abby had 18 coins. Samantha gave her 6 more coins. How many does Abby have in all? So keywords here. So first I'm looking, she had 18 coins. And then it says Samantha gave her here. So it did say gave her. So we have to look at this information because then we have to look at the wording of how it was. So this is gave her and then 6 more. So we have to look at that keyword more, and it says have in all. So determining the type of problem. So this is going to be a addition problem. So this is going to be 18 plus 6. Oops, sorry, I'm writing it backwards. So first thing I do, I look at my ones. So 8 plus 6, well, I know 8 plus 2 is 10. I took 2 from 6, so 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. I'm going to carry my 1 to my tens. And now 1 plus 1 is 2. That was really bad handwriting, guys. Sorry about that. So 4 and 2. So I have, Abby has 24 coins. Okay. Okay, the next problem. Oliver has 22 apple trees. Carson wants to add 5 more trees. How many trees in all? So key information, we have to look and see what type of problem this is. So he has 22 apple trees. Carson wants to add 5 more, and it's in all. So those are going to tell me that it is addition. So I have 22 plus 5. I look at my ones. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. So he has 27 apple trees. Okay, we're going to do one more problem here. Alrighty, so we have this problem here. McKenna has 32 pencils. She shares 18 with Adriana. How many does she have left? So first we have to decide what type of problem it is. So she has 32 pencils. She shares 18 with Adriana. So how many does she have left? So she's sharing, she's giving, so that tells me it's a subtraction problem. So if I have 32 minus 18, first thing I do, I look at my ones. Well, I notice that the 8 is bigger than the 2 in this problem. So that means I need to ungroup and get my 10s. So I'm going to ungroup here. That's going to leave me with 2 10s left. And I am going to add my 10s to my ones to give me 12. So here what I did is if I have 32, there's 30. Sorry, that's hundreds. 30. Here's 2. So I'm going to ungroup and add 10 more. Okay, so now I'm going to be able to take 8 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to leave me with 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it means that she has 14 pencils. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you have a couple problems to do on Seesaw today, but that should be all. All right, guys, see you later.